to my channel. Today I'm going to do some cooking. So I am going to make a 15 bean soup. I had an appetite for it, so this is what I'll be making. So let's take the beans out of the package and spread it out. We're going to be looking for sticks, rocks, or any bad beans. Also within the package, you're going to receive this flavorful seasoning package, and it also comes within the beans, and it will make your beans taste so delicious. And within this video, I am going to be adding more ingredients, so you guys stay tuned. Many bad beans, sticks, or rocks, we are going to wash them really well. I've also picked up some turkey wings, smoked turkey wings, from my local grocery store, and I am going to rinse them really well. Cooking the beans in my crock pot. I'm adding my beans and my smoked turkey wings into my crock pot. It will be a green bell pepper, onions, it will be garlic, and also celery. So here's what I'm going to be adding: green bell pepper, onions, celery, and garlic. I'm going to add it all into the crock pot. Added, I am going to add 1 stick of butter. And yes, let's not forget the seasoning package that was in the bean bag. Let's add more seasoning. This is garlic powder that I am going to add. Let's add paprika. I'm not measuring, I'm just sprinkling. This is paprika. Adding Creole seasoning. Next, we're going to be adding black pepper. And let's add about 2 to 3 bay leaves. And I am going to add a touch of white wine vinegar. Now you can use apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar. So since I had this, I'm going to add this to my beans. Next, I am going to add a bag of collard greens. Now you can choose your favorite kind, but I love collard greens. 1 whole bag. Next, I am going to add 2 cartons of chicken broth. To cover this, and I'm going to cook it on high for 8 hours. And in between, I'm going to stir occasionally. And now that it has been about 4 hours, I am also going to remove the bones. Has been 8 hours or longer, but 8 hours and some. Y'all, this bean soup smells so delicious. I couldn't wait to plate it up. So let's plate it up. Now you can also eat this with rice, cornbread. Oh my goodness, I just ate it as is. Y'all must try this because it is so delicious. So delicious, and I just wish that you can smell it. And the beans was so just right. It wasn't too soft, but it was tasty. Okay, you guys, stay tuned. Come back, subscribe, hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. And I will check you on another one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.